My dear students, in this class we solve some problems on union and intersections of the sets. Question number 22. Find the union and intersection of each of the following pairs of sets. First question is capital X equal to 1, 3, 5 and capital Y equal to 1, 2, 3. So you know very well the union of X and Y. X union Y is equal to 1. 1 is repeated, is common to both X and Y. In the case of union, we write only 1 times, hence 1, 2, 3 and 5. The intersection of X and Y. X intersection Y is equal to the common elements of the both set X and Y. That is 1 and 3. Okay. Next question. Next question. Second question. A, E, I, O, U and set B equal to A, B, C. The union of A and B is A is common to both A and B, C we can write orderly, and E, I, O, U. The intersection of A and B is equal to the element A is common to both A and B. And the third question is X such that X is a natural number and multiple of 3. We can list the element of A, that is capital A is equal to multiple of 3, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and so on. Okay. And the elements of the set B is equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Less than 6. Okay. Now the union of A and B is equal to, we can write easily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Okay. The intersection of A and B is equal to the common elements of the set A and B, that is 3 only. Hence the intersection of A and B is 3. Now question number 4. The elements of A is equal to the value of X greater than 1 and less than or equal to 6. Please keep it in your mind. This inequality we can read as X greater than 1 less than or equal to 6. Hence the elements are 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Next, B is equal to the elements of set B, the value of X greater than 6 and less than 10, that is 7, 8, 9. Enough. Okay. Now the union of A and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And intersection of A and B is equal to, that is common elements of the both A and B. There is no common elements in A and B, hence it is an empty set. The symbol we can write empty set, that is empty. Okay. Next question number 5. The set has 3 element 1, 2, 3 and set B as empty sets. You know very well, any set A union of empty set, that is properties of empty set. You can observe in your properties of union of sets. A union empty is always equal to A. If A intersection empty is equal to empty set. Okay. Now, by using the properties of union and intersection of empty sets, A union B can be written as, that is 1, 2, 3, that is equal to set A. And intersection of A and B we can write directly, that is empty set. Next, question number 23. The set A has 2 elements, that is A comma B, and set B has 3 elements A comma B comma C. The question is A subset B? Obviously, every element of A is also an element of B, hence the set A is subset of B. And we can write the A union B is A, B, C. That's all. And next question, if A and B are 2 sets such that A is subset of B, then what is A union B? We can observe in the question number 23, A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, obviously A union B is equal to the set B, because B contains the elements of capital A. Okay. Next, question number 25 is very simple question. Capital A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. The set B has 3, 4, 5, 6. And set C as 5, 6, 7, 8. And D as 7, 8, 9, 10. Find A union B. So, A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 4 repeated in both A and B, hence we can write only one times. A union C, A union C, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B union C, we can write easily, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next question, B union D. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next question, A union B union C. So what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next question. A union B union D and B union C union D. Do it yourself. It's for your homework question. And the next question is question number 26. Question number 26. Next, question number 26. That is, if A equals 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B equals 7, 9, 11, 13, C equals 11, 13, 15, and D equals 15, 17. So, what happened? A intersection B. So, A intersection B, common elements of both A and B, that is 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. B intersection C, the common elements of both B and C is 11 and 13. 11, 13. So next question, A intersection C intersection D. So A has 5 element, intersection C, that is 11 is common, intersection D. So there is no common elements of both A and C and D. Hence it is an empty set. Next, A intersection C. So 11 is common element. Next question, B intersection D. There is no common element, hence it is empty. Next, A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C, that is the elements 11 is common. Next, A intersection D, there is no common element, hence it is empty. Next, A intersection B intersection D. So A intersection B, it has 11 is a common element. Intersection D, there is no common element, hence it is also empty. Next, A intersection B, that is A intersection B is 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union C, that is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So again intersection is 7, 9, 11. Enough. And next question. A union D. A union D. That is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. Intersection B union C. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So again intersection is, that is 11, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11. Enough. Okay. And next question. Question number 27. If capital A equals X is natural number, we can write here A equal to natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And B is even natural number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. C is an odd natural number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And capital D is a prime number. You know very well, What is prime number? A number is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number. Hence, what happen? That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So, A intersection B, that is 2, 4, 6 and so on. A intersection C, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So 2, 4, 6 nothing but that is equal to B. A intersection C, that is nothing but it is set C. A intersection D, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. That is the set D. B intersection C, there is no common element, hence it is empty. Next, B intersection D, that is only one number, that is 2, the least even prime number. C intersection D, here C intersection D, that is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Okay. Next question. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? The set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And x is natural number and x is greater than or equal to 4. That is 4, 5, 6. Whether it is disjoint or not. You know very well, disjoint set means if A and B intersection is equal to empty, then we say that is disjoint set. So 4 is a common element. Hence, it is not disjoint set. Because it has common element, that is 4. A, E, I, O, U. E is common to both the set, hence it is not disjoint. X is an even integer, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. X is an odd integer, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Now we can say directly the common elements is empty. So it is disjoint set. Okay. Now question number 29. Question number 29. The set A has some elements, B has some elements, C has some elements and D has some elements. Find A minus B. It's very simple here. A minus B. Look here. So here 3 write down, 6 write down, 9 write down, 12 is common in both the element. So we vanish the number 12 and remaining 15, 18, 21. Finish. A minus C. Here we can write 3. 6 is there in set C and 9. Okay. 12 is there in the set C and we can write 15 and 18 and 21. Okay. Next. The question number 3. Question number 3. A minus D. That is, we can write 3 here and 6 and 9. 15 is there in the set D. So remaining elements 18 and 21. So these are all remaining questions or your homework questions. So do it yourself. Okay. Now, question number 30. X as an element A, B, C, D, Y as an element F, B, D, and G. So, X minus Y, what happened? It's very simple. So, here B and D is there, hence A, comma C. Y minus X. So, we get F, comma G. X intersection Y. X intersection Y. So B is comma D is common element. So one more question. If capital R means real number. R is the set of all real numbers and Q is set of rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? My dear students, real number means the union of rational and irrational number. If you subtract rational number from real number, we get only irrational number, that is set of irrational number. Set of irrational number, that is Q dash. Next question. State whether each of the following statements true or false. Justify your answer. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So here 3 is the common element. Disjoint set means both set have, there is no common elements, but it has 3 is a common elements, hence the statement is false because it has common element 3. A, E, I, O, U. You can write, you can say directly A is a common, hence it is false. 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15. Definitely it is empty set, hence it is true. 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11. Yeah, of course, it is also empty, hence it is true statements. Okay, in the next class, we continue complements of a sets. Okay, thank you.